Hello everybody! This is our KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and today I've got a hub and card reader. So I've already filmed the unboxing of this, but I didn't want to include it in this video because it was of poor quality, I guess. I had just come in the mail yesterday, and I was going to bed, and I was like, fuck it, I'll open it in bed. And it wasn't that great, so I decided to redo it, and then we're going to open this thing up. So, yeah, let's get to the unboxing, or re-unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So we have hub and card reader. I'm not sure why it's hub and. Should say USB hub and card reader, but yeah, whatever. And again, well, not again, first time for you. The barcode is really worn out. So I'm thinking these are very old stock, especially since, I mean, it's not that old, but it is pretty. Where the fuck's that hair coming from? It is fairly old because it says USB, plug and play, built-in LEDs. Built-in LEDs. I'm hoping they're standard LEDs because this supposedly glows blue and it wouldn't go with my red everything. So, yeah. Anyways, 3 USB 2. I'm using it on my Mac Pro. It only has USB 2. No big deal. Multiple card reader, SD, trans flash, memory stick, and M2, the super small Samsung memory card that never really did anything. And then system requirements. Windows ME 2000, XP, Vista 7, 8, Linux, Mac OS 8. Damn, that's old. Yeah, I saw that, laughed my ass off. Anyways, let's open this thing up. Okay, so we have a paper. Paper says, I already forgot what it said. Lick my finger here. Oh, there we go. It says, it's upside down, can't read it. Just the features, Windows supported, and stuff like that. So, let's open. There's the device. It has a micro B, mini B, pretty nice cable. And we have our connectors and our memory cards. And it is a winner. Hey, it's a winner. Alright, I have a screwdriver right here, and if memory serves me right, this, wow, it really stuck itself back down. Yesterday, this thing was flapping about in the breeze. Oh, there we go. So, under here is the sticky stuff and 4 screw holes. So let me pop those screws out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there is the thingy here. Or take the bottom off, and there we are. So we have 3mm LEDs. So definitely we'll be able to change those. Screw. Does that just pull out? Yep. Okay, let me take out these 2 screws, and I'll have everything splayed out here for our eyes to gander at. Okay, so we have these 2 boards out. So here is our card reader board, and here is both of our light boards, but I couldn't get to the other, and I found 4 more screws. So I'm assuming the top, top comes off, and there goes the case. Alright, so the case just falls apart. Awesome. And here is our USB. There has to be a chip on here somewhere. Yep. Alright. One more screw. Hold on. Ah! Shit! Alright. So, here is our board. Well, boards. Well, let's see. Trying to get them where we can look at them all at once. There we go. So this is our power distribution board, and oh god damn it! Wow, there's nothing on it. Cool. 5 volts. What's that say? 5 volts. Focus. Data. Ground. Okay. On fixed focus. And this is just LEDs. This is our card reader. So, see if I can get a focus on the card or the chip, which I'm looking at upside down. The chip is a GL827L, and I don't see a date code. Damn. I was hoping to see a date code somewhere so we can kind of date this thing. Because I'm thinking it's old stock that they are trying to get rid of. And what's our clock rated for? No idea. Has no markings on it at all. And now for the bottom. Focus. Well. Oh wow, I wish I could focus that. That's actually quite nice. Let me turn on the light on the camera. Alright, there we go. Focus. So, FE 1.1S USB 2.0 hub LB 3W899B1245 blah, blah, blah. You can read it. Wow. So absolutely no date codes anywhere, which kind of sucks. And there's really nothing to this thing. We have 2 chips, one running the card reader and one running the USB ports. Other than that, that is it. Couple surface mount capacitors. Man. Really wish there was a date code. Look at that one more time. Nope. I don't see anything. Alright. Well, that is the Queener. I honestly don't know how you would say this. But that's what it is. Yeah, interesting little thing. I definitely will be ordering me some 3mm LEDs because the only ones I have are 5, and I will be replacing them for red because I don't like blue. Well, I do, but down here it's you know, pretty red. Anyways, I did get this at a discount from the seller for an honest and unbiased review. The one thing I do not know, and That's HC. Anyways, the one thing I do not know is if this is such an old device that it can't read HC or XC SD cards. So stay tuned for the very end. I will do some tests and put it in. So I'll be right back. Okay, so blinding blue lights out of the way. Here is all the cards I tested it with. And, oh, I didn't test that one. I can test that too. So currently, this has let me eject it. This has a a micro SDXC, and it reads it just fine. The only slots I haven't tried are memory stick and M2. I do not have M2, so I will not be testing that, but let me try to get this in here one-handed. Oh, come on. Alright, hold on. Well, that was a failure. This thing actually broke going into it, so yeah. I bought it mainly for the SD cards, but I guess I'll be having to buy another memory stick. Yeah, see, giant crack. I'll put it back in my device and see if it still works. Anyways, that light is bright. But I guess I should put it back together, but what's the fun in that? Anyways, this has been Anthony, also known as KrypticNexus. If you liked the video, give me a like. If you disliked the video, tell me why in the comments and give me a like. I do this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with my new schedule, Mondays are gaming, Wednesdays are sorry, I had a brain fart. Okay, Mondays are gaming, Wednesdays are product reviews, and then Friday is a mishmash. It could be either a product review, a game review, or gameplay, or it could be Far Out Friday, you know, showing off this old 96 Mac. You know, something like that. Or, hell, even reviewing my 10-year-old Mac Pro. So, anyways, this has been a long video, and I will see... No. You will see me in the next video. Who am I kidding? Of course you want to see this thing lit up. So the top glows blue, the SD card or the card slot glows blue, and then the bottom side glows blue. So when it's sitting on your desk, it glows. Oh wait, here, hold on. It glows blue. So definitely will be changing those to red. Thanks for watching.